In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off pop-up notifications Microsoft Teams. If you're getting constant pop-up notifications from Teams and they're distracting you while you work, don't worry. I'll walk you through, step by step, how to turn those banner pop-ups off so you can stay focused, while still keeping control over what you see and when you see it. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once Teams is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see a row of icons, and among them, there will be an icon with 3 small dots, often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is where many of the app's main settings are tucked away. After you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the main settings window for Teams. This is where you can customize how the app behaves, including sounds, devices, and of course, notifications. Inside the settings window, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side with different categories. Find and click on the one called Notifications and Activity. This section controls how and when Teams alerts you, including those pop-up banners that appear in the corner of your screen. Once you're in the Notifications and Activity section, you'll see various options along with checkboxes and drop-downs for different types of notifications. Locate the area that controls message or activity alerts shown as banners. You may see checkboxes next to different notification types. Click on those relevant checkboxes to make sure you're adjusting the specific notifications you want to change. Next, look for the option that says Show in Banner. This is the setting that tells Teams to display those pop-up notification windows on your screen. Click on Show in Banner to open its drop-down options. You'll usually see choices like Show in Banner, Only Show in Feed, or Off. To completely stop the pop-up notifications, select Off. Click on Off, and Teams will no longer display those banner-style notifications for the setting you just changed. Depending on your needs, you can repeat this for other notification types in the same section. Once you're done, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, and your screen